morning students. Welcome back to our next lecture of class 10th as we are doing the chapter quadratic equation. Now we are moving to the next topic of a quadratic equation, solving a quadratic equation using a formula. Up to now from class 7th, 8th, 9th we used to solve the quadratic equation by splitting the middle term method, in which we split the middle term, then factorize it, and from there we get the two roots of the quadratic equation. As we have discussed in our last lecture, how to split the middle term and find the roots of equation. But now it is not possible to solve all the quadratic equation by that method. Means ਆਪਾਂ हर एक quadratic equation ਨੂੰ ਉਸ method ਨਾਲ solve नहीं कर सकते. There are few quadratic equation which cannot be solved by that method. For those quadratic equation or even for the simple quadratic equation, we can able to solve by this method. And here we have a formula, means if we have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the value of x that we use to find the x will equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so by this method we can able to find the value of x, where b, a and c all are the coefficient of the quadratic equation. We have discussed so many times how to find the value of a, b and c. Okay, let's move to the question now, and we will solve one example from where you will get more clarity how to apply this formula and get the roots of an equation. ठीक है, ज़्यादा clarity मिलेगी. So let's start with the help of an example. एक example दे नाल ਆਪਾਂ solve करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So let's take one example here. See, they said to find the roots of our equation by using formula, that is x square minus 6x is equal to 27. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. We have to find the value of x by using a formula. First of all, we will compare it with our general term or the general quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If you look on the general quadratic equation here, all the terms are on the left hand side. So on the right hand side, what we got? 0. So same we will do here. We will bring all the terms on the left hand side. So we will have a 0 on the right hand side. So right hand side the key honi chahiye 0 honi chahiye. X square minus 6x minus 27 is equal to kade aa gaya 0. From here we will have the value of a, that is equal to 1. And the value of b is equal to minus 6 and the value of c is minus 27. So we got all the value a, b and c. Tinne values aapa solve kar liye. Now put that in the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so we got the formula, fill the values, that is minus into minus 6, then plus minus under root minus 6 square, minus 6 square minus 4, the value of a is 1 and the value of c is minus 27 over whole the denominator 2a and the value of a is 1. Okay, solve कर दो. Minus minus की हो गया, plus हो गया, that is equal to कादे आ गया बेटा 6 दे. Then plus minus ऐथे solve minus 6 the square, that is equal to 36, minus minus plus 27 into 4, that is equal to 108 over की आ गया बेटा 2 आ गया. So up to here we have solved it. Now the next step is 6 plus minus 36 plus 1, that is under root 144 over की आ गया 2 दे आ गया. ठीक है, so 6 plus minus 144 the under root कितना आ गया 12 divided by 2. 6 plus, so see here we have a 2 sign, one is of a plus, one is a minus. It means कि अगर 6 equal 12 plus होएगा, then the second time 6 will get subtracted. So it will become 6 plus 12 over 2 and the second 6 minus 12 over 2. So here 6 plus 12 that is equal to 18 over 2 that is equal to 9. 6 minus 12 that is equal to minus 6 over 2 that is equal to minus 3. So we got the two values of x. One is 9 and the other value is minus 3. So we got both the value of x, that is one is 9 and the other one is minus 3. So in this way beta you can able to solve this question, where what we have done, we have taken a quadratic equation. From the quadratic equation we got the value of a, b and c. We have put all the values of these in the formula. At the end, after solving the formula, we got the two roots and the one value is 9 and another one is minus 3. Same. Let's take another example. Here beta we got a very simple under root, that is 144. So where you can able to find the under root directly. But in some question beta you can't able to get the directly under root. So that in those question you have to use the long division method. Okay, we have done the long division method to finding the under root in the 8th class. Okay, we have done that in the 8th class, so you can use that. Let's do one example, same more. So I have taken another problem, that is 4x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to kade aa gaya 0 de. Again comparison, the value of a is 4, value of b is minus 5 and the value of c is minus 3. Write the formula first. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Put all the values in the formula. Okay, that is minus 5, then plus minus under root minus 5 square minus 4, value of a is 4 and the value of c is minus 3 over 2a. So 2 into 4. ठीक है, values fill करती है now. So we will solve it. Minus minus plus 5 plus minus under root minus 5 square that is 25. Again minus minus plus 4 4 16 plus 4 कितना आ गया 48. तो नीचे कितना आ गया बेटा 8. Now the next step is 5 plus minus under root 48. 8 plus 5 13. So 4 plus 2 6 173 over 8. ठीक है, up to here we have done as we have done in the first example. इत्थों तक पहुंच गए. Now 73. 73 is not a perfect square. So perfect square नहीं हैगा, so we can't able to find the square root directly. So here we will use the method that is long division method. Long division method use करांगे. 8th class ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਾ long division method. ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ ਬੇਟਾ long division method ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ 73. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਟੇਬਲ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੜਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ 1 1 1 2 2 4 3 3 9 4 4 16 5 5 25 6 6 36 7 7 49 8 8 64 9 9 81. But here so 81 ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, so here we will get 8 8 64. ठीक है, 64 आ गया, 13 चो 4 गए 9. ठीक है, पॉइंट हुण कितनियां जीरो उतारनियां ने बेटा 2 zeros आफ्टर. ठीक है, पेयर्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 0 ਉਤਾਰੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. 8th क्लास ਦਾ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ. सो नेक्स्ट 8 plus 8 कितने हो गए बेटा 16. ਇੱਥੇ 5 ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ 1 6 5 into 5 5 5 25 2 6 5 30 30 plus 2 32 3 5 1 8 25. so ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ 5. so 8 25 over कितना आ गया बेटा 75. सेम डबल जीरो फिर लगा लांगे. ठीक है, 165 plus 1 कितना आ गया बेटा 170. ठीक है, 2 डेसिमल तक लेके जाओ. डिपेंड अपॉन द क्वेश्चन कितना तक पूछा है. सो हियर they have not asked कि कितने डेसिमल पॉइंट तक चाहिए. so minimum I will take to the 2 decimal point. so 170 है. ठीक है, 170. so here we will apply, let's take 4 4 4 16 7 4 28 2 4 1s are 4 2 6 8 1. so ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ 4 ਆ ਗਿਆ. ठीक है, ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ 4 ਆ ਗਿਆ. here we will get 6 8 2 5. so again you can able to solve a little bit further also. so what we will got 5 plus minus the value is 8.54 divided by 8. ठीक है, एक बार प्लस कर दो 5 plus 8.54 over 8. ਤੇ ਦੂਜੀ ਵਾਰ 5 minus 8.54 over 8 ठीक है प्लस करोगे that is 13.54 over 8 so here minus करके minus 3.54 over 8 डिवाइड कर दो बेटा ठीक है 13.54 divided by 8 8 ones are 8 5.55 8 6 are 48 that is 48 कितने बच गए थे बेटा 7 4 so 8 9 का कितने हो गए 72 so same way ठीक है so की आ गया था देखो 1.69 का डगी आ गया बेटा रूट आ गया सिमिलरली इन्हों भी डिवाइड कर लेना दैट विल बी योर सेकंड रूट सो बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी है सिर्फ एक ही स्टेप ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ दैट इज फाइंडिंग द स्क्वायर रूट बाय यूजिंग द लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड ठीक है if you have any problem in that let me know so we can able to explain in the next lecture thank you